Welcome! Let's take a journey through Talawakelle Tea Estate's value creation model. Picture a tea estate where every leaf, every drop of water, and every action contributes not just to world-class tea, but also to thriving communities, a healthier environment, and long-term organizational strength. This is how TTE turns its resources into meaningful outcomes for all. Let's first look at the foundation of this model, the inputs. Our story begins with six essential capitals: financial, manufactured, intellectual, human, social, and natural, sourced from both the organization and society. These include 7,615 million rupees equity, 494 million rupees debt, 16 estates, 15 factories, 6 solar rooftop units, 3 mini hydro plants, 4,849 skilled employees, 120.79 million rupees invested in communities, 139.14 million rupees dedicated to environmental and climate initiatives, and certifications across Rainforest Alliance, ISO 22000, ISO 14001, and organic standards. Together, these resources provide the foundation for sustainable and resilient operations. Now, let's see how these inputs flow into our value creation process. With purpose, vision, and mission guiding us, and supported by robust management systems, these inputs transform across our operations. Precision farming, renewable energy, regenerative agriculture, and modern factory processes convert resources into outputs. 5,058 metric tons black tea, 269 metric tons green tea, specialty and organic teas, renewable energy, 6,991,310 kilowatt-hours hydro, 879,924 kilowatt-hours solar, and other value-added products. Next, let's explore the outcomes of these operations and how they impact both organization and society. The outputs generate tangible benefits for the organization. Sustainable farming, energy efficiency, and renewable energy reduce operational risks, improve productivity, and support long-term growth. Employees and managers gain from structured training, enhanced decision-making, and innovative systems that boost efficiency and product quality. For society, these operations preserve ecosystems, secure clean water, and promote sustainable land management. Community programs enhance education, livelihoods, and social cohesion. Employment opportunities, infrastructure development, and access to high-quality products strengthen regional economies. Environmentally responsible practices and renewable energy adoption support climate action, sustainable consumption, and biodiversity conservation, creating lasting value for everyone. All insights from operations feed back into the system, refining resource use, improving practices, and guiding future investments. This circular, regenerative approach ensures continuous improvement, sustaining value for both TTE and the communities we serve. Through this integrated model, Talawakelle Tea Estates produces world-class tea, strengthens communities, protects nature, supports the SDGs, and builds a sustainable future for all,